Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 3Shape workflow for TRI metrics. I start with order form and indications in the order details section. For single units, select abutment, screw it and crown, then go for platform selection. We have here P45 and P37. For single unit, please select engaging, so the crown is locked against the rotation. Please note our new recommendation to use Matrix 2.8 long screw as the new standard screw. It aligns the workflow for provisionals and finals, and it provides more mechanical stability to the restorations in cases with high occlusal loads or long restorations. Only use 2.8 short screw when the occlusal space is limited. We may use rotational connection for fully rotational prosthetic components, for example, provisional that are manufactured before surgery or healing colors. It is also an option for cases where we have high angulation between the implants. For rotational connection, please select Kit with index R at the end. After we have filled in our order form and imported scans, we proceed to Dental Designer. I'm not going to spend much time with design itself. You already know what to do, but I'm going to focus on some important points. Here is scan flag alignment process. And even though that we have defined our platforms and connections in the order form, here we can have another option to be used in case we see that the scan is actually not corresponding to our initial order form selection, for example. We can proceed to alignment. This one is good. We go on with the next one. Here we see that the scan body from the library is different to the one that we have in scan. We can see it with the grooves on the side surface. Here we have a groove, but on our scan it is not, so it means it's a different platform that was used. You can see the difference between all four scan bodies that are used for matrix library. So for P37 there is no groove on the side surface, unlike for P45 there is a groove on the side surface. So here we need to select P37 non-engaging, and then we are ready to go. In this case, we see that the scan body on the scan is a long version. So we have short scan body and long scan body for P37. So in this case, we go for long version, which got two slope sides on either side. All right, and the final one, the same for P45, we have a long version. All right, and we are done with the scan body. For the next step, where you define the emergence profile, it is important to respect the minimal wall thickness of 0.9 millimeters. Here you have the default emergence profile, and you're gonna modify it to patient situation. It is still important to control the minimal wall thickness. You can simplify this process by sliding the visibility control of the inner limit to make it visible. So here is the minimal volume of the restoration that is going to be used, and you cannot violate this zone. During the final stage of the design, please make sure that you do not adjust the default 0 value of the screw setting offset, because this can affect the performance of both the screw and prosthetic restoration. Once you have finalized your design, Click Next and save your design project.